September tang amadina ngasi aroi banumit paupa sila thoi pa thodo watok sing mayam si act of terrorism ni terrorist ki act ni September kitang 1 September kitang taruk amadi ngasi September kitang kun ka tareta angang phagi badu ngasi phawda thatok tang leriba maduda ko ye demand ga tawrei ba habsi mayam sing ngasi act of terrorism ni this is not nasli hinsa, this is terrorism. Therefore the central government must act. The Kuki militants, Kuki civil society organization, they have outrightly rejected the state government. State government से बातचीत ही नहीं करना है. What's the use of DGP going to Kangpokpi and talking to them? Because they are not going to listen to DGP because he is, after all, the head of the state police force. So ultimately, Kuki people, particularly Kuki militants, they are in talking terms with the central government. So therefore, central government swiftly intervene and bring about a solution and release or rescue those two innocent souls.